Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen part one, go back and see the beginning stages of this craft room makeover. It's, you know, just my little craft space that I'm finally getting to. I've been on the dining room table for years, and yeah, I finally have a little corner of my own. So we redid the floors. You could see that in the previous video, and I had to match the oak as closely as possible to the original oak in the house. We did a laminate flooring. It just wound up being cheaper, and there was some other issues. Anyway, it worked out fine. So my husband put a saddle down the other day, and I got a little area rug. I think I want something with a little bit more white, but I don't know. For right now, this is gonna have to, well, I don't know. Some days I like it. You know what it is? The lighting in here is still a little too yellow. I still have this old lamp up here. I have a new light fixture, but we haven't had a chance to install it yet. So it'll brighten the room up once we do. So anyway, there's the little curtains and the closet, and here's my fountain pen inks and my reading chair. And this, sorry about that, spun around. This is where the desk is finally gonna go, but we were all ready to put it together the other night, and there was a situation with the legs, which I will explain in video number 3 when I finally get the desk in here. But I guess I can show you a video, a flip through. Sorry. Oh, landscapers just showed up. Please hold. Okay, I think they're done. I'm seriously obsessed with this slipcover for this chair. It is so cozy, it's ridiculous. So anyway, I'll give you a flip through. What I did was I started just keeping some pictures and just some little ideas of what I wanted in this room. So this was sort of the color palette that I wanted to stay in. I was just sort of like, I don't know, vibing. I love this picture. I just tore that out of a magazine. I stuck some stickers on it. Wanted this place to be a little, just a little retreat for myself. And this is the picture that originally inspired my whole idea for doing over this room. It was from the In Her Studio magazine, and I looked at like 20 other types of desks. I searched everywhere. I looked at mango wood, acacia wood, blonde wood, all different kinds, and then I wound up coming back to something like this after all. Always go with your first instinct, right? Isn't that what they say? And I had been listening to this album a lot lately. Yes, I said album because I have the vinyl. And I don't know, I guess I was just sort of like in that zone. Just another pretty picture. And then trying to pick out beige paint. If you know, if you've ever painted, there isn't one shade of beige. It comes in pink beige, gray beige, green beige, peach beige, yellow beige, all kinds of beige. Anyway, I finally decided on Capri Coast from Benjamin Moore, and I guess it's sort of like a yellowish beige. You can see it compared to the white ceiling. And I just want lots of plants in here. And this was a desk that I saw at West Elm, which is really pretty. It's a mango wood table, and it had 2 small drawers here in the front, but it wasn't wide enough. It was too short. it was a little small for my needs because I want it for, I just need more space. That's it. And this is a craft stamp from my friend Gail from Gail's Bookish Things. And this is a checklist of things still to be done. As you can see, the desk, the chair, and I still need shelves. And this was a lamp that I originally chose, but when it came in, it was like a dark teal color. It wasn't anything like it was pictured. I really wanted this like raw galvanized, sort of like farmhouse chic sort of lamp, but it wound up not working out. So I'm going in another direction, and hopefully the light that I put up will work out better anyway. So, and I just was totally digging these like boho sort of curtains, and I had picked up this shower curtain. Oh, you can't see it now because of the light, but this was actually a shower curtain I picked up, and I don't know why, but I just was totally loving like the fringe and stuff on it. So I just bought it, I don't know, like 6 months ago and set it aside. And I said, because it was like $15 on sale. And I said, I'll find a use for it somewhere. So that's what I do sometimes with things. So yeah, I wound up using it as a curtain. Let's get back to where we were. And this is a DIY project for the future. I have this buffet cabinet, whatever it's called, and I want to sand it down and refinish it and maybe put some new panels or something on the front. But the weather here is way too humid for paint and stain, and it's just not very cooperative. So that's going to be a project for the fall or the spring of next year. And that's just another color palette I was looking at. I love these like Southwestern style tiles. So I'm thinking of taking a trip back to Arizona to see my family and maybe picking up some tiles. I'm not quite sure what I will do with them here in this room, but I'll figure that out later. I'm just using this as like bounce off inspiration. So, and this was just a couple of pages that I journaled in here. I was testing out some ink here. This is bank paper. But yeah, so I was just keeping some notes in here and pictures to keep myself inspired. And that's it. So that's all I have until I get my desk. So that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.